Artists, today we're going to turn a number 15 into Buc-ee. That's right, Buc-ee the Beaver from the gas station called Buc-ee's. We're going to draw this character step by step, and then we're going to add it to our cartoon world. Every drawing that we draw, we add it to this world, and we're going to fill up the entire world with all of our amazing cartoon characters. So grab a pencil and paper, and let's get drawing. So to draw the Buc-ee's mascot, we're going to use a number 15, just like this. And then we're going to add Buc-ee's eyes right here between the 1 and the 5. To draw Buc-ee's nose, we're just going to close this part of the 5 in. We're just going to draw a little line right there. And then you can shade or color in that shape. Now I'm coloring my character in as we draw. You should probably wait till the very end. Let's give Buc-ee some big giant Buc-ee teeth, and they're gonna go right here. And let's add a little curved line here for the mouth. And while we're working on the mouth, we're gonna draw a line that comes down like this with 3 little dots on both sides of those shapes. We're going to close this part in by just drawing a line right there to the teeth. And then I need you to draw a little tiny line from the nose. Look at this. It's going to go like that. And that is going to provide this. See, now you know where to color the character in with that little line right there. Look at Buc-ee's cute little face. We need to add that iconic hat. So we're just going to draw a rectangle shape here with a curved line right there. And let's add some Buc-ee ears. We're going to draw these fun little ear shapes on both sides of our character's head with the little lines inside of them. Oh yeah, check out Buc-ee. This is awesome. Now we need to draw the body. So we're just going to draw a line that goes around like this. And we're going to add an arm, but we need to add a sleeve to a t-shirt. So for our arm, we're just going to draw a unfinished rectangle shape. And then in that rectangle shape, we're going to draw 2 little lines for an arm with cartoon fingers. Let's add the bottom of our t-shirt. We're just going to draw a line that goes across like so. Let's add a second arm to our character. We're just going to draw a little rectangle shape there with little tiny lines for an arm poking out of it, and those cartoon fingers again. Okay, it's coming alive. We need to add those legs and feet to Buc-ee, so we're just gonna draw these little L lines like this with a curved line for the top of each foot. And if you want, you can even add some little lines for toes. And then let's finish those legs by drawing a line here and here. Artists, you're doing amazing. Now it's time to add the tail. And the tail is very easy. We're just going to draw a big curved line like so. And then on that tail, I want you to draw a tic-tac-toe pattern or a hashtag, just like that. And if you're so inclined and you want to add some more details to your character, you can put in the Buc-ee's logo. You might not have enough room for this. Remember, I'm working digitally. It's a little easier. Oh yeah, we have Buc-ee. Awesome. Okay, we're back in our cartoon world, and it's time to add our latest cartoon character. So many places to add our fun Buc-ee's Beaver character, but I would like to maybe add it over here somewhere. So I think right here is perfect. And we have Buc-ee dancing away along with all his new cartoon friends. So artists, I can't wait to draw with you in the next video. We're going to add lots of characters to fill up our cartoon world because every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.